10/14, 2018. Got a few to the downside today. Looks all right, and a couple to the upside. And market's slightly up this morning, and we'll see how we do today. BITA, I'm going to try to take it here at the ask if it gives it to us. Let's give it up to 41. A little bit above the ask here. Let's see if we can get it for a short. Okay, we're in at 25.41. Daily has been strong, as you can see. It's been really strong. Yesterday it went all the way up to 31, but look at this huge topping tail. Okay, big huge topping tail. So today it gaps down, and it's being bought up here with another huge bottoming tail right here. So I'm thinking this thing is going to turn around here and go right back down to below 25, mostly because of this huge topping tail, you know. But stop on this one, easily a point around here, halfway point. But I think it'll turn. I think it'll turn and go down, mostly because of this huge topping tail here. But who knows? I like to get at least, we're in at 41, I like to get at least down to 25. That'd be nice. But we'll see how far it goes against us, and then we'll reassess where our target is. BITA, it's coming our way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I'm going to try to take it, I'll take it at the 10 here if it gives it to me. Take a quick 30 cents from it. Market's going up, so gotta be careful. Hopefully it'll hit us here. Spread is big. Got a 5 to 10 cent spread. Just hit my target, and it dropped even more. Should have waited. There it goes. Look at that thing go. Boom. Just needed to break that 25.10 area. That's all right. I grabbed 30 cents from it, which I would have grabbed way more. But that's all right. I'll take that. And it's still going. Wow, there it goes. Wow, I missed all that. I would have got a full point, close to a full point, if I would have just waited a couple more minutes. You know, got to work on my patience. Got no patience. And I got patience when I'm losing on the trade, but I got no patience when I'm winning on it. And that's, we all have things we got to work on. And that's one of my main things, staying in a trade a little bit longer. As you can see with this one, I would have gotten a lot more. You know, look at that. It's just dropping. It's probably going to drop below the lows too. And there it goes. Watch. It's going to drop right below the lows there. We were in 24.40, 25.41. We were in up here. Look at that thing drop. Look. See that? Look at that thing. It's still going. Look, it's going to hit. Oh, boom. Look at that. It just keeps dropping. Look at all the meat I left on that bone. It's insane. Look, it's still going. You know? But it could have easily turned around and gone up, and I would have had nothing. Every trade's different, you know. If I go try this again next time and stay on it, it'll probably go up. And then you have to reassess your strategy again, you know. So it's best to stick with one strategy for a while and implement other strategies slowly. That's the way I think anyway. MIK, I'm going to try it up here for a short right here if it gives it to us, and we're in. We're in at 1852. Daily, it's good. It's good. It's just it's been consolidating here for a couple of months here, and then the past month or a couple of weeks, it's just skyrocketed. It passed over the 200 in a matter of a couple of weeks. Then it gets hit with something. I don't know if it was news or earnings or what it was, but it got smashed right back down below all these support areas here, right back below the 200, the 20, and intraday it gapped down, then it flushed. Had a squeeze here around the 17 area, right back up to about the 18 and a half. And that's where I'm going to take a short right here, and hopefully it'll just turn around here and go back down. Now I'm looking for probably right before the 18, before the whole number, right below the 9. I'll pick it up. Stop on this one. It should be right over here, right over the highs here. You know, technically right over the highs, 1878. You know, but I'll give it a little more. You know, just in case it gets hit with all the stops there, and it gets shot up a little bit more, and then it finally decides to turn. But I think it has potential to turn here and just drop. At least 30 cents. I'll take 30 cents. I don't care. MIK. I'm thinking about putting a stop on this one, or actually even coming out of this one. Yeah, I'm going to come out of this one here if it gives it to me. I don't like it. And we're out. We're out for a loss of about 5 cents or so plus commissions. I just don't like it there. Now it's sitting at this major support area here, and it's not going back down. So I'm thinking I better just get out, because it could easily do this again. Since it's not turning around, I gave it like a few minutes, and market is pretty strong. I mean, it's taken a little dip here, but I think all in all, it's going to go up. ORCL, I'm going to pick this up here for a long. We're in. Oracle, we're in at 4604. Now this is a pretty big name stock. It's been uptrending slowly for the past 3 months or so after a hard dip, and got hit with some news. I don't know if it was earnings or news, something, and it got smashed down. Intraday gaps down, has this big sell-off. It just keeps selling off. It hasn't stopped yet. Now we're at a critical point here where it's got this really nice big bottoming tail. Let's take a look at this thing up close. And it's at a whole number. Just busted through the whole number. Now it's coming back. So I'm thinking this thing can go up at least 30 to 50 cents from a pullback from the lows, especially a nice big extended lows like that. It's a big company. It's got a lot of support here. Look at that. Support, 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 support. All this support. Needs to break that. And even if it breaks that, it touches this support level right here. So it's got multiple support levels there. But stop should be right below, I don't know, probably 45.50 should be the stop on this one. And target, I don't know, I'll take 25-30 cents, you know, whatever it can give me. But the market is tapering down here, so we'll see what happens with this one. Oracle, it's not working out. I'm gonna think about coming out of this one. You know what? I'm gonna come out of this one right here. I don't like it anymore. I'm out. I'm out. 10-cent loss. Took a 10-cent loss on it. Now something about it I don't like. I liked it at first, but it didn't work out right away, which I thought it should have because of that bottoming tail there. And now it's coming back towards that bottoming tail, and once it passes that, it'll shoot back down. And maybe I'll pick it up again later. ORCL, look at that. Right after I decide to get out. I should have waited. I should have waited. Look at that. I would have got my 30 cents that I was looking for. 2 more minutes, I would have been in the money. But, you know, that's how it is. You can't see the future till it's already happened. then you can say whatever you want because it's happened already. So I'm still going. That stinks. TEX. I'm going to try to take this one at the ask here. If it gives it to us. And we're in for 100. We'll see if we can get the rest of it. Okay, we're all in. We're in at 40, 41. Daily looks okay. You know, it's below the 200. It's been choppy. So every time it goes down for a bit. And every time it goes up for a bit. So it's been chopping around. Today it gaps down. Flushes all the way down to 39.50. And then it has a squeeze up to here. And we picked it up well over the 9. So, and the reason for the squeeze is because of this buying pressure from the market. Look at that. As soon as that happened, boom, this stock got squeezed up because all the shorts had to cover here. So I'm thinking unless this keeps going up, then we should have a decent trade here. Stop should be right above here, you know, right over the highs here, 40.83. And target, man, I'm thinking anywhere around 40. I'd like to see it break 40. Actually, I think it can break 40. TEX, let's take a look at this one. This one's starting to work out. It's coming down to us. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Here it comes. Take this at the 19 if it gives it to me. And we're out. We're out for about 22 cents or so. Yeah, I took the profits early because of the market. Look at that. It just keeps going. So better off taking that than watching this reverse and shoot back up, and then I got nothing. ORCL, I'm going to try to take this one here for a short now at the ask if it gives it to me. And we're in for 100. See if we can get the rest. Looks like we're not going to get the rest. You know what? I'll cancel the rest and we'll pick it up top if it comes up. Oh, here it comes. It's coming. We'll pick it up. Should pick it up there. All right, we're full in. Full in it. Now, stock's been fairly strong, but not huge. It was uptrending till it hit the 200. Once it hit the 200 on the daily, it got smashed down for I don't know what reason. I don't know if it was earnings or what it was. So it gaps down today and it flushes. Flushes really hard. So hard that I took a long right here and didn't stay in it. I felt like it was going to keep going down, so I got out of it with a small loss. And right after I got out of it, the sucker squeezed right up. All right, so now it's over the 9. It's downtrending. So I'm thinking about a short right here. So I took a short here right above the 9 for it to go right back down below 46.25 and probably 46. So we'll see. Now we're just waiting on the market. The market is stalled right up here. So we'll see. If the market goes down, then we might have ourselves a good trade here. If it doesn't, then stop should be right over the highs here, 46.55. I'm going to take a short here on TLRD at the ask if it gives it to me. And we're in. We're in at 25.62. Daily has been strong for past quarter or so, but then it just got slammed yesterday, you know, really hard. And today it's continuing. It opened up with a big gap down and just flushed down. Okay, then it started getting bought up, and it barely made it over the 9, and it's getting back shot down. It's really close to low of the day here, so I'm thinking this thing is going to surpass the low of the day and go right down below 25. It's a good sized mover once it starts moving. So stop should be right above the highs, this high here. So 26.15 roughly. I'll give mine a little bit more, but that's your technical stop right there for this thing. And target, anywhere below 25.30, really. You know, market's starting to come down a little bit. Had that little blast off there, but then had no continuation. Now it's turning around a little bit. So with a little tailwind, this should be a good trade. TLRD starting to come our way a little bit. We got about 12 cents in it already. Like to see a little bit more. TLRD. I'm going to take this right here for a quick 30 cents. It broke the lows here, and it had no more continuation. So I figured I might as well take it because it'll probably turn around here for a quick 30 cents. Let's just take a look at ORLC. That's the only one I got left here, and it's not looking good. It's not looking good because it just consolidated in this area here for a while. We picked it up somewhere around here, and it kept going till it just busted open here. But the good thing is the market is turning down. So if the market continues to go down, then I see this thing just turning around, going at least back to where it was consolidating here, because it got hit really hard. So you know, we're at 46.66. So let's see, 46.66. So it's right here in the middle of all this congestion here. So I think it'll turn around if the market goes down. Now if the market goes up, then this thing will just keep going up, and we'll have to get out of it next pullback. All right, ORCL is coming back to us. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Thinking about coming out of this one with the loss and just calling it here. Went against me, and it's giving me a chance to come out here, so I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it here at 46.58 if it gives it to me. And we're out. We're out for a 20-cent loss. Yeah, I don't see it. I see it just, I gave it a chance here to come down, and it looked like it was. I even was in the money here for a little bit, but I wanted a little bit more, and then it's squeezed up here again. So we have one squeeze here, consolidation, a squeeze here. So I'm thinking it's probably consolidate around here for a little bit and then shoot back up again. Market just took a little pullback here, and now it's starting to rev up again, so should probably take this one up. And that's it. That's going to be my last trade. We're up 63. Let's take a look at the trades. 3 winners and 3 losers. Biggest winner on TLRD, and the biggest loser on ORCL. And that's it. Thanks for watching.